The 2025 Cadillac XT5 presents a refined evolution of the brand's mid-sized luxury SUV, delivering a balanced blend of sleek styling, intuitive technology, and solid performance. On the outside, the XT5 retains its signature sculpted body lines, now enhanced with sharper accents and a more aggressive front fascia. The bold grille, slim LED headlights, and aerodynamic touches give it a confident, modern presence. Under the hood, drivers can choose between a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine or an available 3.6-liter V6, offering a smooth yet assertive driving experience with improved fuel efficiency and responsive handling. Cadillac's focus on quietness and ride comfort remains a standout, thanks to active noise cancellation and a finely tuned suspension system that glides over rough surfaces with ease. Inside, the XT5 shines with luxury appointments and intelligent layout. Premium materials such as genuine leather, brushed metal, and open-pore wood trim give the cabin a sophisticated and warm atmosphere. The redesigned digital cockpit now includes a 33-inch curved display that integrates both the driver's cluster and infotainment system, offering crisp visuals and seamless controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Google Assistant enhance the user experience, while an optional AKG sound system envelops passengers in high-fidelity audio. Rear seating remains spacious and supportive, and cargo space is generous with a hands-free liftgate for added convenience. Safety features are plentiful, with standard driver assistance technologies like lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Complementing the XT5's polished luxury is the bold and futuristic presence of the 2025 Ram 2500, customized to perfection and parked gracefully in a luxury showroom under a cascade of natural light. Painted in an ultra-bright, high-gloss white finish, the Ram 2500 exudes a striking, powerful elegance. The polished showroom floor reflects the truck's broad shoulders and angular lines, accentuating its modified stance. The rear view reveals a custom tailgate design and LED taillights, while oversized alloy wheels and a lifted suspension hint at its capability and readiness for rugged work or show-stopping street presence. A panoramic sunroof, sports-style grille, and blacked-out trim pieces add contrast and visual depth to the otherwise pristine white exterior. Stepping inside, the cabin of the Ram 2500 feels more like a luxury suite than a heavy-duty pickup. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching, ambient LED lighting, and a wide-screen infotainment system provide both comfort and cutting-edge connectivity. With advanced towing tech, trailer camera systems, and the high-output Cummins turbo diesel or powerful Hemi engine option, the truck is built to perform under pressure without compromising on aesthetics or sophistication. Whether seen from the front or admired from the back in this high-end showroom, the Ram 2500 and Cadillac XT5 represent two ends of the automotive spectrum, luxury and muscle, each masterfully designed for a new era of drivers who demand both style and substance.